Everything you need to know about Shopify POS. A reliable point of sale is essential for any physical store. A point of sale allows you to track inventory, manage customers, and process sales payments. In the past, POS systems had been complicated and costly. Shopify Point of Sale is a simple, affordable option that's easy to use. You can learn all you need to know about Shopify POS by listening. How does Shopify's Point of Sale work? Shopify Point of Sale is an iPad application that allows you to manage your store. It's simple to set up and easy to use. Shopify POS lets you process sales, track inventory, add clients, and much more. Shopify POS stores all your data in the cloud, so you can access it anywhere. For a demonstration of the system, please click the link below. Shopify Point of Sale system is available to all Shopify plans. Shopify can be run on an iPad over your local Wi-Fi network or on your mobile device on the go. Shopify POS. Is it right for me? Small businesses can use Shopify Point of Sale to get a cost-effective and simple POS system. Shopify Point of Sale integrates seamlessly with your Shopify account. Shopify Point of Sale isn't the best choice if you have a complex business. This is because it lacks the advanced features of other POS systems. Shopify Point of Sale might be worth your consideration if you are just starting out or have a small to medium-sized business. Shopify POS can be a great solution for small businesses who are looking for an easy and affordable point of sale platform. Shopify POS integrates seamlessly with your Shopify account, so it's a good option for those who already use Shopify. Shopify Point of Sale is an excellent option for anyone looking to upgrade their POS system. For personal assistance, please click the link.